How to make automated passive income. The easiest way to make money like this every single time. This is the best way to make money online. Before we get into the videos, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, press the bell icon. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, watch the video until the end. I make money making tutorials, money saving videos. I try to upload one video per day or not, one video every other day. So subscribe, like and share. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money using eBay and PLR ebook. Don't just think about this is another video I'm making on PLR ebook, but I already made a couple of videos. I put the card above on the description, go and check that video. But in this video I'm going to show the proof that system is still work and that you can make automated passive income using eBay and PLR ebooks. All you have to do is go to Google and find PLR ebooks. So in this case I'm using IDPLR. I have a subscription. You don't have to buy that. You can go to here, freeplrdownloads.com. you can download a PLR ebook without creating account. There's other one called indigitalwork.com, and this one is called PLR Minds, and another one is called weekly resale rights, something like that. You can go and download these PLR ebooks. Then what you have to do, go to eBay and find this one that you want to sell. In this case I want to sell intermittent fasting formula. I already made a video in the past. Go and check out those videos. Here you can see only 3 people selling that. This one is from Sri Lanka. So like I said, eBay is not there in Sri Lanka, but you can create an account and sell it from there. This person is selling that, and this person is selling for 175 in UK, and here this from United States, and this one is different because they are selling in CD, but most of the people are using the CD anymore, so there's no point selling that. But this is my one. I'm selling for £150, or you can say $170 or something like that. Because of that, I'm undercutting the competition from these guys and I'm getting sales. I already have 2 sales. One sales happened yesterday. That's why I'm making this video. I'm going to show how you can dispatch and you want to add a tracking number or not. I will discuss that in the end of the video, so watch that video until the end. So you can see you can undercut these competitions by selling for lowest price. You have to do one thing only. You are not creating this ebook, you are download for free, so you can go below whatever their competitors listing for, even though you're getting 50 cents per ebook, which is good because you can list a couple of ebook. If you can able to get sold 10 ebook per day, that you can make $5, guys. But again, it is automated passive income. At the moment there's an automated way to send ebook, so you have to send it manually by copying the email address, which I'm going to show you in a minute, guys. So this is how you're going to find the ebook, find the competition. All you have to do, click open their listing and click sell it yours, and it will pull all the details. You have to click this one called sell it yours, and it will pull all the informations. Just undercut the competition by putting lowest price. After that, when your ebook gets sold, you have to go to your dashboard. Here, this is my dashboard, all order. I have sold other items, but here what you have to do, click this drop down menu and click here view order detail. It will take to that page. On here you can see here, this is the name of the buyer, and this is the email address. I can't show you the email address fully. In this case they're using the eBay email address. I'm going to show if there is a problem, how we can resolve that. After that, there's the phone number for them and they get paid. Normally if they're using a personal email address, most of the buyers do, the email address will be displayed here. But in this case, because it's showing eBay email address, what you have to do, just copy that and send a email. You have to go to your personal email or the email that used to create an eBay account. Use that to send email, attach the ebook and send it to them. So I sent that ebook yesterday, and you can see the buyer sent back there is no attachment here. All you have to do now is reply them and say, okay, because it's email address I can send it. Can you please send your email address or any other email address which I can send it to you, so you can send the ebook without involving eBay, because sometimes eBay block that you are sending PDF document. They don't allow that, so you can do that by this. After you send an email, and all you have to do, just click contact buyer. By clicking that, if you can go back to the listing, the item you sold, click drop down menu, there's a contact the buyer and let them know that you sent the PDF document. If they received, leave their positive feedback, something like that, and they will do. All you have to afterward you have to do, click this one, and you have to do, there's a button should be there, is called mark as dispatch. Here now it's showing mark as not dispatched, or because I already did that. What you want to do is mark as dispatched, and you don't have to put tracking number because it's a digital delivery that you already mentioned on description that is a digital delivery, so you don't have to put any tracking number here. So if you want to learn how to list an ebook, PLR ebook on eBay, you can go and watch my old video. I put the end card here, or in playlist on the end of the video, or put the link in the description. Go and check that video because I want to keep this video very simple and short. Again guys, this is a way you can make $1 to $50 as a passive, automated passive income. You can go higher price, you can go lower price, whatever you want. Again, this with one ebook I listed on eBay, but if you can list more ebook with a free account, you don't have to buy a basic shop. You don't have to pay subscription. You can just go with sell your own item, and you can list those ebook. And if you can able to make a couple of sales per day, that you can make automated passive income. Like this one, I sold a different item here. This is one other ebook I sold in different categories. There's immuno food solution, and if you come down here, you can see another ebook I sold there. So that the system is still work, but it requires your time. Again, it won't replace your 9-to-5 job, but it is the best way to earn some side income, guys. I hope you understand. I hope you like this video. All you have to do, again, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. I am able to upload one video per day, money making, money saving, and my tutorial every single day. So also, if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, or leave a comment that I like this video, put your PayPal letters. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.